Stock investing and option trading. Over the past 4 days, I made over 3,500, so it's about 1,000 a day. Today is July 4th. It's a public holiday, Independence Day for Americans. So, S&P 500, it was up 0.83% on Thursday. Over the past 5 days, it's up 2.09%. So it stayed uptrend. It's a bullish market, right? It's a bull market. And year to date, it's up 7%. You wouldn't even know that the stock market used to be down. So that's why I never miss 10 best trading days. S&P 500 is up over 100% over the past 5 years. So if you invested your money will have more than double over the past 5 years. Look at Nasdaq, 1.02% on Thursday. 5 days is up, so bull market, right? Year to date, 6.85%. It was down around 20%. So basically, it gained over 26%, right, over the past few months after Liberation Day. 5 year is more than double. Dow Jones 0.77% on Thursday. 5 days, 3.04% over the past 5 days. Year to date is up. Never missed 10 best trading days. 5 year, 70.57%. So today, we're gonna look at 9 stocks that's gonna report their earnings this coming week. And we're going to look at what happened in the stock market this week. Chicago, so basically Jerome Powell said, yeah, he will probably have decreased the interest rate if not for tariff. Jerome Powell made a speech. And ADP employment, it was down. See, people lost their job, 33,000. It was expected to gain 100,000. It was quite a surprise that time. Job openings is more than expected, which is good. Any just jobless claims lower than expected, and so that's why the Wednesday stock market dipped a little bit because it was a surprise to see job losses. ADP employment report. Friday, today's off day. So this week it reported Constellation Brands. 5 days it jumped 6.37%. Year to date it stayed down. 5 year is down. So why did it go up? So you will ask me, hey, the result must be pretty good, right? No, we're gonna look at result. They miss revenue, they miss profit as well. And tariff and weaker beer demand are weighing on Modelo Ubna Constellation Brands. See, aluminum tariff. So that's why the stock is down over 20% this year. So why did it go up? Earnings per share lower than expected, 3.21% expected. Revenue, 2.55 billion expected, lower than expected. So it went up because the company maintained 2026 their forecast. You see, if you are a bad student, right, you've been doing bad things, but you do something really good. Your teacher, your parents are happy because you do something good. The same way, the stock has been terrible year to date. Now, hey, you know what? At least they keep their 2026 forecast. So that's why investors got happy. They bought the stock went up. But never invest in temporary jump. Always look at 5 years. If 5 years trend doesn't beat S&P 500, I'm not interested. Very simple. So this week, what are the news? All FOMC meeting minutes will come out on Wednesday. Wednesday is also the tariff deadline. So the stock market could up or could be down, depending on what President Trump said. Right now, he only got a deal with only 3 countries, Vietnam, UK, and China. Right? UK, I think US lost it. I mean, basically UK gained more than US. China is okay, you know. Yeah, Vietnam, US won Vietnam and the trade war. So what do you think? Do you think the stock market could go up? this coming week, or do you think it could be another Liberation Day 2.0? And look at Thursday, Friday, yeah, nothing special except for tariff. So that's going to be dominant headlines this coming week, next week, basically. Stock number 9, Barnes & Noble Education. So year to date up 11.81%. Look at 5 years, it's down because nobody reads books anymore. I love education, okay? I always keep learning myself. But when was the last time you visited a bookstore? Most people don't read books. So no wonder it's down. Maxima C is going down. So maybe during the COVID time it went up because people bought books to read at home. And yeah, so I'm not going to invest in this company because it doesn't beat S&P 500. Stock number 8, KRUS Sushi. Look at that, it's uptrend, going up. If you look at the trend, the past 5 years, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Wow, so usually around $40, $50 is a good entry point based on the past history. Now it's almost all-time high, over $100. Yeah, we still have some more time, but you know what? I may not want to risk it. Maybe the next way down, I'm going to take a trade. I talked about this stock before, okay? Yeah, we can put it in and watch this for this stock. Stock number 7, AEHR, test system. Year to date is down. 5 year is BSET 500, but I do not like unstable business. Look at this. The business is not stable. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. It's not going up. So I'm not going to look at it, because I'm not going to buy it, because even though it beat S&P 500, it shows me that their business is not stable, right? That's based on their stock price. So next one, BSET financial industry. Year to date up 15%. 5 year it beat S&P 500, but maximum, look at it, it barely moved. You see the stock, it barely moved. So I'm not going to buy because I like stock to go up. I like that. I'm not going to buy. Hey, does it sound like somebody? Scott Benson? No, it's not It's not Benson. It's BSET. So BSET was founded by John David BSET in 1902 along with his brothers. Yeah. So you know what? It's very easy. Just put my last name in a company that you got the BSET financial industry. Yeah, very easy. Next stock, AZZ. It's an industrial stock. It's up 20% year to date. And 5 year, it beat S&P 500 maximum. Yeah, not bad. This is something that I can look at. So based on today, you know what? I like this AZZ. I like KRUS, Sushi. That's what I like. But based on 5 year track record, that's all. Of course, I need to look at this company has been around for at least 10 years. Yes, I like to see the business track record. Can it withstand the business cycle? Has it been a public company for at least 5 years? Yes. I could look at their financial statement. Yeah, very simple. So I can put this on watch list. Data airlines, nope, I don't like airlines. Very simple, very competitive. 5 years, it doesn't beat S&P 500. And now tourists are not coming to US as much as before. So cruise line, yes, they are doing pretty well because people love going on the cruise now, but may not be airline. So stock number 3, LEVI Strauss, the jeans, the clothing. Now the US got a deal with Vietnam. So you know what? It's good for clothing company, but it doesn't beat S&P 500, so I'm not going to buy. Next one, CAG, year to date down 24.14%. 5 year down 40.72%. See, if you look at it, yeah, this company could be a little bit stable, but I don't like it, the downtrend over the past 5 years. They may have high dividend, 6.67, but it doesn't mean that the only reason why they have 6.67% dividend is because their stock price dropped. So yeah, you know, if you look at a stock and you see high dividend yield, hey, don't invest in it right away, right? Because it could be because the stock price is going down. I like to see company stock price going up, also their dividend payout going up as well, which could be good. But I don't really care about dividend because I could use option to make money. Conadra, this is a food brand. Have you tried any of these before? Comment down below which one you try. Stock number 1, Vista. Look at the energy. Year to date down 14.26%. 5 years, it's up. It's almost like Nvidia. So this is something that I could put in my watch list. Yeah, it's been in the business for at least 10 years. Let's see. Oh, not really 10 years, 2017. No, not 10 years yet, yes. But it has been a public company for at least 5 years. So possibly, you know, this can be in my watch list for trading. Yeah, not bad. I could look at financial statements later if I like to buy this company. But for trading, yes. Personally, I do not like energy. Okay, but this could be something to do with AI energy consumption. So I could do some trading. So which stock do you like the most? I'm going to put Vista and watch this, AZZ and watch this, KRUS Sushi and watch it. Of course, this is not financial advice. This I'm just telling you what I like to do. If you want to have portfolio over 100,000, working from home, traveling around the world 1 to 3 hours a day, 20 days a month, you can go to Master Risk Stock Option Crypto channel, subscribe the channel, go to playlist to learn about stock investing, call option, put options, and advanced options, and other investment education. You can click the link in the description and comment down below to open a stock trading account or to get in touch with me. Share, subscribe.